One of the most important skills for all college and university students is annotation. So why do we annotate? Making notes on our reading material helps summarize key points, helps making finding the material we've read easier to find for essays or studying, especially if we're researching for multiple essays or studying for multiple exams weeks after we've studied the material in class. It makes the research writing process more efficient, and it's also proof of doing the work by ourselves if a professor ever asks for it. You can use your own style as you get used to annotating, like using different highlight colors for different things. But as a guide, the 7 steps to annotating are: number 1, highlight the main idea or thesis of the material. Number 2, summarize the information of the paragraphs that you use in the margins. Number 3, highlight key information and make notes in the margins. Number 4, highlight or circle key statistics or numerical data that you might use and note that in the margin. Number 5, circle and define new vocabulary. Number 6, write questions to follow up on. And number 7, highlight any research from the references page that your professor might have referred to or that you might look up for more information. Different research gives us different information, but some key areas we usually look at are the research questions and objectives of the study we're reading, the methods that were used, the main findings and conclusions of the research, theories and concepts discussed in the research. We've probably talked about them in class, and this research applies them. A literature review is a collection of other studies that are summarized by these researchers and connect somehow to this research. We look for implications of a study and what it could mean, strengths, weaknesses, potential biases, our own thoughts and connections, and follow-up questions for future research ideas. Remember, food for thought means critical thinking. While some people prefer to annotate on printed hard copies, you can annotate digitally on your iPad or tablet. Some apps you might look into are Mendeley, Zotero, Academia.edu, Our Research, Scrivener, EndNote, and there are many more. You can do research, download PDFs, and annotate digitally. Annotating is the scholarly way not only to organize material, but it also helps students actively engage with material, which helps critical thinking. And that's what higher education is all about.